When I was in colleges, I was just I think 20 year old when I was in the diploma. I started my career in some social field. Like you must be heard about the Pune Ganesh Festival, which is a renowned festival. So I started my career as a volunteer there. This festival is connects to many Ganesh Mandal, many people, many celebrities are coming to Pune. There are different ambassadors from different countries, different social people and influential people also. There are some industrialists also, those who are. So that time actually it was a really good learning for me because almost I had done that career for 17 years as a Pune Festival Management Committee member, even though I entered as a volunteer. But after that 17 years I did that. Same sort of experience of people management I got in Greaves. To handle the third shift, माझं एक मराठीमध्ये थोडं बोललं चालेल? कंपनीमध्ये एकदा एंट्री केल्यानंतर बेसिकली most of the engineer has that sort of fear when any senior people started talking to him or senior worker talking to him कि साहेब नीट करा नाही तर आम्ही असं करू. So that sort of it is some soft threatening. So I started connecting people in the third shift basically. मला जास्त ते third shift त्याच्यासाठी पण आवडले. Nobody is there. No managing director, no director, no general manager. I am the shift in charge and I need to drive people. Now I can't be a dictator because they are all seniors of elder people like fatherly figure people. फक्त त्यांना मॅनेज करणं हा फार महत्त्वाचा. So माझी सवय होती की instead of sitting in my cabin, I used to go in each machine. There are 3 workshops and must be around 70 odd machines are there. I used to go in each machine. Shift चालू झाली की माझा तो काय भाऊ काय चंद्रकांत कसं काय चाललंय, हाउ इज एव्हरीथिंग, मम्मी कशी आहे, मुलगा काय म्हणतो. सो that sort of attachment has started in that shift and there you get time. In third shift you get time. Ultimately when that connectivity is there, लोकांना माहिती की सर आम्हाला जोशी साहेब पाहिजे आमच्या शिफ्टला. त्याच वेळेला हे द प्रॉब्लेम क्रिएटिंग नेचर also stop drastically because instead of stopping machine and sleeping, they know की साहेबांना पण त्रास नाही झाला पाहिजे फर्स्ट शिफ्टला. So in my shift most of the breakdown memo either is being clear or the very less breakdown memo is my shift even though I am handling third shift. So that connectivity with the people is very important. म्हणजे आज मला just सांगावंसं वाटतं की even maybe say last month only I visited again that premises. The company name had changed from David Brown to Premier. But when I entered in the premises and when I visited that facility, माझ्या डोळ्यात म्हणून पाणी आलं कारण मला ते सगळं शिफ्ट सोडून ती लोक माझ्याजवळ आली. मला त्यांनी स्टूलवर बसवलं. आमच्याकडे चिवड्याची पाकिट आणि चहा तेव्हा पण यायचं आता पण चालू आहे. त्यांनी मला लिटरली साहेब हा चिवड्याचं पाकिट घ्या, साहेब बटाटे वडा घ्या, चहा घ्या. सो इवन आफ्टर सो मेनी इयर्स म्हणजे आता जे कोणी लोक राहिले तिथे मेनी पीपल रिटायर्ड बट स्टील दॅट अटॅचमेंट इज देअर. आय थिंक बरीच इंजिनियर कंपनीत येतात आणि माझ्यानंतर पण खूप लोक येऊन गेले तिथे. पण दॅट सॉर्ट ऑफ अटॅचमेंट इज स्टील देअर बिकॉज आय थिंक दॅट आय नॉट ओनली इन्सिस्टेड देम फॉर वर्क. They are anyway doing work, but human attachment, some other family attachment was there. आणि त्याच्या नंतरच्या पिरियड मध्ये पण when I become something, त्यांच्यातल्या बऱ्याच मुलांना मी आज पण नोकरीला लावलं की त्यांची मुलं हक्काने मला कामगार फोन करतात, साहेब काहीतरी आमच्या मुलांसाठी बघा. So it matters a lot.
It's great because I think today it matters even more because we are in an increasingly digital age and relationships are getting compartmentalized into various digital realms. So you have people working for you, not for the company that you float. So I think a powerful lesson going forward. And this seems to have played a key role in other places also. For example, when you were at Telco, it's a completely different scale of operations. You're talking about compared to Greaves.
Ford was the start of my career in automotive industry of distribution. It was a small activity that means because Ford itself was a less sale that time. They just started their business in India. After Ford, I was there for just I think one and a half years. and I got a bigger opportunity in Tata Motors. Tata Motor has two divisions. One is the passenger car and the commercial vehicle. So in 1992, the Tata was the first company who outsourced their entire spare part divisions to one logistics company called Dynamic Logistics was the company. So I got the opportunity to handle the Tata Motors warehouses. The warehouse size is very big. It's almost a 10 lakh square foot warehousing. Almost 900 people are working. And even, I will tell you, even today, Tata spare part is the biggest in the world. That was, anyway it was biggest. Even today it is biggest because number of Tata vehicles on the road of Indian road and abroad was definitely in the large number than any other automotive company. And I got the opportunity to heading that division as a warehouse and spare part division head. It was the start of how exactly the volume can be catered by person. The experience what I got in the Pune festival, the experience I got in the Grieves to handle the union people. So here actually it was really helpful for me, Tata Motors days. I was there for 3 years. In those days I will tell you the sales guys, they are always try to sell maximum spare parts, because this is the company is selling the vehicles. Spare part division always tries to push the maximum spare in the market because they are different P&L to be measured. When I got the opportunity, I will tell you frankly, it is a total mess. मैंने अब तक इतना मेस कोई भी warehouse में नहीं देखा, इतना मेस था. What sort of mess? Because as it is the biggest, 10 lakh square foot warehouse, another 30 lakh square foot yard. Different parts. Tata Motor has, if you know, there are I think more than in commercial vehicle more than 155 model that time. We know maybe 5, 6, 7 model, but actually it is 155 model. And Indiga was supposed to start. Indiga was the first car of Tata they are supposed to launch, and lot of focus on spare part division, how to perform, and the mess was so huge. I will just brief something about. Ultimately how it works, there are so many suppliers. Tata is not manufacturing a vehicle, Tata is assembling the vehicle. Okay, the brand name is Tata. Like if Philips is there, Philips is just assembling. Most of the parts are coming outside. Basically in automotive industry, see, bumper is coming from somewhere else, engine is from somewhere else, transmission, radiator, starter, different body parts. So it is been developed by somebody else, even though norms has been fixed between that automotive company and a supplier. In factory also all the spare part is coming from various vendors, and ultimately it is getting assembled. If anybody visited any auto factory, right? So in auto factory basically what they do, the punching of vehicle is been done. But most of the parts are from outside. I think 95% are from outside suppliers. And there actually in the challenge in the spare part division also, there are, I think, we have more than 1300 suppliers, different suppliers from India, from abroad. If that particular activity is, the vehicle is not getting unloaded properly, if the stock has not been punched properly, then ultimately stock is not updated in the system. Then even though physical material is lying, but if you go and try to invoice, this part is not available. So that process is very tricky. If somebody has done it on day-to-day basis, then only it is been stable. That time it was a problem. I know from different drawers, I collected at least 6,000 supplier invoices which has not been punched in the system. 6,000. Ultimately it is a mess because product is lying in the warehouse, it is not available in the system. Your end customer, your dealer, distributor is sending orders, your person who is actually allotting the stock, physically it is available, system it is not available. Then out of maybe say 10 parts, our packing team is sending 4, but you just imagine your vehicle is in the garage, you want some 4 parts, and your dealer is saying साहेब ते part येणार आहेत. You wait for 15 days also, and after 15 days he says that